In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or venturing into the world of web management for the first time, navigating to your website on Godaddy is a fundamental step you'll want to master early on. So let's dive right in and get you started. First up, finding your way to the login page. Godaddy, as you might already know, is a powerhouse in web hosting and domain registrations, making it a go-to for many website owners. Getting to your website's dashboard starts with a simple yet crucial action: signing in. On the Godaddy homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. It's your gateway to accessing all the features and services that Godaddy offers. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be greeted by the login page. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials, that is, your username and password. These were chosen by you when you originally set up your Godaddy account. Typing in this information accurately is key to gaining access to your account, so take your time and make sure everything is entered correctly. If by any chance you've forgotten your password or username, don't worry. Godaddy provides options for account recovery right on this page to help you regain access. Now, for those of you who love a little convenience, or perhaps have too many passwords to remember, there's a handy feature you might appreciate. Godaddy offers the option to sign in using your Google account. That's right, with just a click you can access your Godaddy account through your Google login credentials. This is a great time saver and adds an extra layer of security tied to your Google account's security settings. However, be mindful of which account you choose to link. It should be one you frequently use and is secure. Finally, once you've entered your username and password or selected the Google sign-in option, the last step is to click on the sign in button, and voila, you'll be directed to your Godaddy dashboard, which serves as the control room for your website. From here, the world is your oyster. You can manage your domain, update your website settings, check your email, basically everything you need to keep your website running smoothly and looking sharp. Taking these steps to log into your Godaddy account is just the beginning of your web management journey. Remember, maintaining a secure password and keeping your account details confidential are practices as important as knowing how to log in. Godaddy has built its platform with user friendliness in mind, so navigating through the dashboard and finding the tools you need should be straightforward. However, if you ever find yourself lost or unsure, Godaddy's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. We've just covered the essentials on how to access your Godaddy website, from locating and clicking the Sign In button, entering your username and password, to the convenience of signing in with Google. Now that you know how to get into your Godaddy dashboard, you're well on your way to successfully managing your website. Remember, this is your online presence we're talking about, so take the time to explore all the features and functionalities Godaddy offers to make the most out of your website. Whether you're updating content, tweaking your website's design, or simply checking in on your domain status, knowing how to access your Godaddy account is the first step towards effective website management. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and efficient in navigating the platform, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters: growing your online presence and engaging with your audience. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on accessing your Godaddy website. It's a simple process, but an essential one, and I hope this video has been helpful in getting you there with ease and confidence. Remember, every successful web journey begins with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Happy web building, and see you in the next tutorial.